Alright, today I'm playing a game called Chonky Chirpers. I don't know what this is. Let's go over the basics, cool. Use the arrow button to flap to the left. Now use that one to go to the right. Cool. Now use both buttons to grab the fruit. Okay. And then I can grab eggs and place them in the nest. Okay. What if it hits the eggs? I guess nothing. Okay. That is a rocket. Who just has a rocket? What is this game? Why is it so destructive? I need the burger. No. Why are my nests aren't filled? What's happening? What is this? I don't want to go this way. Okay. I don't understand what's happening all of a sudden. Why is it moving sideways? Okay, cool, we're back. I just need another egg. What is the bowl? Is the bowl danger? I guess the bowls are dangerous. I got hit by a bowl. Stop hitting me with bowls, it's not nice. No, I didn't get all of the things. Those bowls are difficult to avoid. I just need one more egg, please. Oh, hang on, that's not an object of mass destruction. My eggs disappeared, but it was excellent. Oh, it's raining money. Why not? Okay. Hey, that was an egg. Don't throw eggs, they're fragile. I do need that though. It's a pineapple and a burger. Give me a burger. I want a burger. No, not this again. No, I miss the last coin every time. Okay, I don't understand what this is anymore. I'm just a bird doing bird things, and the world is against me. Okay. Why are the eggs hatched the second they get put in the nest? Okay, this little coins. My barrier of coolness. I don't know what the point is. I do not understand what this is happening. There's money falling from the sky, but I'm a bird, so I don't use common paper currency. It's... what? It's a hot dog. Birds don't eat hot dogs, probably. Oh, I got hit by something in an ad played. I might be dead. Let us see. There is a black hole. And everything is frozen because of the ad. I don't have any controls or anything. Let me sort this out. Give me a second. I guess it counted as me dying because I don't have anything now. I don't even have any of that free bonus money it gave me. That's a shame. I see the eggs hatch into food for some weird reason. Can you guys stop with the balls? Yeah, I'm not getting all of them, not while there's big bouncy balls everywhere. It's not very advantageous. No, stop making me go all the way around. It's so tedious. Saws at me. That's fucking bad manners. Like, why would you do that to a bird? It's just not nice. Oh. Why is there an emerald? I wanted the egg. Just a saw blade that you're throwing at me. Not nice. Not even a little bit nice. No manners. Oh, it's pizza. I need the pizza. Ah, no, I gotta go this way. Okay. I know the score was 40 something for our last run. So it looks like we might be beating that. Why is this now Flappy Bird? But like with directions. That's a bit weird. I think we beat our last attempts record thing. We're back here to probably suffer to something silly. Seriously, who thought rockets would be a good idea? That did not hit me. I am a bird, I know better. Give me that bird money. And I've died. Oh well. Okay, let's see. It didn't freeze! Where did I go? I died still, I guess. Okay, we've got a score of 61, which is apparently a rank C, and we can buy another bird in the shop. I don't particularly want a chicken. Get a 15 score. I got a score of 15. I must have to die after 15. What else is got? I would have most of these. I don't want to watch a video. Okay, let's go back to the home. Whoa, what's this? So this is our sanctuary, I guess. Damn, that pigeon greedy. Press on a bird to check its stats. What is it? Okay. Do they have idle earnings? Let's unlock the other birds that we should have. I got a score of 15, man, and of 30. Technically it was 60, but still. Okay. I'm just sussing stuff out. 100% freedom. Flying fish isn't a bird. That's also not really a bird, but I'll take it. Harpy is a bird person. A fly is a fly. And honestly, I'll just accept that at that point. Okay, but I think I might leave this one off here for now. Yeah, just give my birds a bunch of food to choose from, because, you know, I'm a nice guy. They can eat all of that stuff, because it doesn't really bother me that much if they have a bit of weight gain on them. So, yeah, what was that? I don't know what I just did. That was Chonky Chirpers, Part 1. If you liked it, like it. If you have any suggestions for other games I should play, leave that in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I'm a skedaddle. See ya.